Hey, so I'm trying to send this over to, send out the initial screencast. So I'm going to hit add. I'm going to go over to the workflow, follow up. So I was using hired setters only. I'm now using cold calling. Spoke with Devin. That's the best thing. I'm now going to do the date to where I want it. 10 o'clock, 0 a.m. Add. Okay, so it add. Okay, even if it doesn't add it the first time, I can always go back over here and just follow hire cold calling. And then we're gonna do that again. 10 a.m. on the 20th. 10 a.m. add. And now it's not even adding it at all. So it won't even add it. Now, only thing I can think of is an automation when I go over here and I go to where the hired setters, which I was using before, to the cold calling. Um, this has an extra sequence in here. It goes from yes to who's assigned, sales rep number one is assigned, add send screencast tag, and initial follow email send screencast, and then add them in. So I think that could be an issue versus what I was using, which is this isn't it. Hired setters only, to where it's a yes and then just add screencast so it allows anybody to do anything, I believe. So I think that might be, those two actions in there might be the problem with what's going on.